Yeah, look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful and delicious. Smells amazing. I'm using organic spaghetti from Italy. There you go. Beautiful. Cooking time 11 minutes. Pomi tomato sauce. This could be your best option for a cheap tomato sauce, as you can dress it any way you like. Look at the ingredients. Tomatoes. That's it. Tomatoes. Here's the side of the box. No tricks, just tomatoes. Hey guys, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today's video, Pomi tomato sauce. This is made in Italy. It's pure tomatoes. It's not in the can, so it doesn't have that tomato can, ugly taste that we all hate. I'm sorry, they got leaf blowers in the back and stuff. It's just tomatoes in there, just tomatoes, nothing else. So you can dress it any way you want. I'm going to show you I'm going to make two videos on this. Today, I'm going to make it in the cream sauce, and tomorrow I'm going to keep it red. So I'm going to show you two ways how to dress this cheap sauce. It was $1.99 at Sprouts. I think it goes down at as low as $1.09 in different grocery stores. It tastes delicious. You can dress it up as you like. I'm going to show you one way, my favorite way that I do this sauce, and then tomorrow I'm going to make another video where I'm going to keep it red. Let's go make Pomi tomato sauce. Best value tomato sauce in my opinion. Here it is, finished product. Pomi tomato sauce. Here it is, guys. Pomi tomato sauce. It turned out great. Smells good. I'll give you the close-up. It's really good. It smells amazing. I can't wait to taste it. See if I can pull this up for you. Oh, look how nice that looks. Look at that. Wow, so beautiful. All right, here it is. Today's lunch. Pomi tomato sauce on steroids. Steam it. Oh, it's so good. It's really, really good. Really, really delicious. Just clean. Clean, man. I would take this over Rayo's, over Carbone's, over any of those sauces. So good. So this is my cream version of this sauce. In the second video, tomorrow, I'll show you the red sauce version. It's really good. Outstanding. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Pomi tomato sauce. You can't go wrong. You can dress it up any way you want. Amazing stuff. That's going to be lunch for today, guys. If this is something you like, don't be shy. Follow my steps. Do it. You'll enjoy it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video, probably tomorrow. Bye.